Good morning, everyone. Today I am telling you the ideas about the garden decoration. A garden ornament is an item used for garden, landscape, and the park enhancement and decoration. Please share my YouTube channel. A garden designer is someone who designs the plan and features of the gardens. Yard art is basically a blanket term for ornamental decor that decorates a residential or public lawn or yard. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants as part of horticulture. In gardens, ornamental plants are often grown for their flowers. In my video, you can get different ideas to decor your garden. Please share my YouTube channel. Garden design is the art and process of designing and creating plans for layout and planting of gardens and landscape. Garden design may be done by the garden owner themselves or by professionals of varying levels of experience and experts. Hope you like my ideas. Please share your comments at the comment section below and subscribe my YouTube channel. Landscaping allows different species of plants to flourish in their natural habitat free of pests. They are provided with an adequate amount of water, good quality of soil, and sunlight to grow and nurture. Hope you like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel with your friends that they can also get different ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.